Hey everyone, Xander here from Open Throttle. Today we're going to be showcasing our custom doormats on our G80 M3 competition. This set has been custom made to match the Silverstone interior on our M3 competition. But if you don't like that, we also have black, red, yellow, orange, blue, and M stitching. So what sets ours apart from the ones you already have in your car? Apart from the custom M3 badge and stitching, it's also just the overall build quality. Look how much this flexes compared to ours. No flex at all. Ours are 3 times thicker to make sure that these will stand the test of time. So now prepare for one of the hardest installs you've ever had to do. Simply take out the ones that are currently in your car and replace them with these. Side note, ours come with the stock mounting to make sure you get that perfect flush fit. Now, if you don't have an M3 competition, we have you covered with over 20 other logos to choose from. And we currently have a 20% off early bird sale on these. So if you're interested in getting yourself a set, head over to our website and get yourself a set today.